What's going on, friends? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we got a ride along. I'm gonna go meet up with my buddy Ruben and my buddy Cameron, and I'm gonna give them a ride in the GTR. This is gonna be their first time riding in a full bolt-on E85 GTR, and we're gonna see what their reaction is. Let's go. But first, I forgot. Gotta empty out the trunk. Check this out real quick. I don't know if any of you are into music or guitars or instruments or anything like that, but I just picked this up like 4 days ago. It's a brand new Gibson Les Paul Studio, 60s style. So it's got a little bit slimmer neck. It's got the 60s pickups in it. Anyways, I gotta get this guy, my camera bag. While I'm on my way over there, I want to take this moment to let you guys know that the RX-7 might be officially sold. I know, I really wanted to build that car and I really wanted to feature it more on the channel, but with the Nissan 400Z coming out, I really want to get that car. So I'm selling the RX-7 to make room for the Nissan 400Z. I think that's going to be a better car, a better platform to build because it's going to be a brand new car. The engine is straight out of the Infiniti Q60, and I think it's just going to be a really awesome car. I think you guys are going to like that build a lot more, especially because I'll be able to do that build faster, because the RX-7 just required a lot more work and attention. Another thing that I want to point out too is my buddy Ruben, who we're going to go meet right now. He has a super dope G35. I don't know if I ever told you guys, but I used to have a G35 back in the day. It was a 2005, and that car was actually a ton of fun. Ruben's G35 is amazing. It's wrapped, it's got tons of carbon fiber. I want to say he's got some pretty sweet mods on it, but now that I'm thinking about it, his car might be back to stock engine-wise. But yeah, so there's going to be a link in the description below to his channel because his channel's super awesome. And then my other buddy Cameron, who's there, I'm actually not 100% sure if he has a YouTube channel or not. But if he does, check it out because he's got a Hyundai Genesis that's all modded out, and his car shoots like 4-foot flames that are green. So you guys definitely want to check that out. So look in the description. I'll put a link there as well if he's got a YouTube channel, but you should definitely check it out. Yeah, dude, these colors look sick. So what color is your car?
Mine's not an Azatec, sadly, but it's a KPMF red black iridescent.
Okay, okay. Dude, I mean, these cars look sick lined up. Dang, look at this, guys. I wasn't lying when I said he had a dope ass G35. Look at that. Ooh, look at that carbon fiber hood. Look at that. Why did the mechanic blush?
Oh, here we go with the jokes. I'm bad at jokes, man.
Why?
Because he saw the bolt strip.
Wait, I just got it. I just got it. Oh, like TikTok.
I wasn't lying when I said this G35 was pretty sweet. So my boy Ruben,
he was lying.
aka Be Distinct. This fool is distinct AF. Look at this car. Look at this car.
And I got like the most common car.
But you made it distinct.
Man, I try, man. Anyways, let me show you.
Yeah, tell me a little bit about it. What do we got going on?
So my first step to being distinct was to run the honeycomb. Now, since then, it's got super popular, so more people are running it, but I think I'm the only one with the carbon trunk. Honeycomb carbon trunk. I think. I don't know. I haven't seen a picture yet, so I haven't seen it. But anyways, we got a carbon trunk. We got the midnight purple and Nazatec wrap right here. Same one as yours, but just a different color.
Yeah, boy.
We had a match honeycomb mirror caps right here. A little something. We got the honeycomb side splitters.
Oh.
Yes, sir. We did have honeycomb vented hood, but the hood flew off because I forgot to close it.
Yes,
so we ordered a full honeycomb. We had to go harder this time. So that should be shipping to us anytime soon. But yeah, we got some 4-star wheels. We got the big Acapulco brake kit. It's all right, you know, no biggie. But that's about it. Currently in the middle of fixing my state rep ticket. And then July 31st, we're gonna get tuned for the supercharger we're gonna be putting on the car. So.
Ooh, supercharger, boy.
Yeah, so I can see your taillights a little closer, you know, a little closer. But yeah, that's about it, you know.
The way the sun hits it, it's just sparkling.
This is not red, by the way. This is just happens to be kind of shitty purple.
Oh, that's why it's sparkling. Here we got the Hyundai.
Genesis Coupe. It's a 3.8 version, V6. Basically made for aesthetics. It was full bolt-ons. It was running on 91. It was tuned for 91.
Yeah.
But mainly I just did aesthetic mods. So has a carbon hood, the grille, the lip, and it's the wide body. The wide body is made by Monster Service.
Nice. Look at that wide body.
And then the wrap is KPMF red black iridescent. I'm on Autohan DS02 wheels. Got the trunk as well.
Look at this. Look at this fat duck bill. That's like a freaking platypus bill.
I love it.
I love it too.
Hey, I might go big wing just like you soon.
I might go duck bill just like you.
Yeah, my YouTube channel is Genzilla. So Genzlla, same as my license plate.
All right, I'll put a link in the description below because you guys gotta see these flames. They're like neon green and they're like,
oh yeah, hey,
4 foot long.
You guys get like 100 likes on this, you'll convince Jeff to go shoot some flames too, and I'll make them green for him.
Maybe. What do you guys think? Shoot some flames? I might do that. I think I could do that. Costs a little bit of money, like 2 G's to shoot some flames, but I think it'd be worth it.
I mean, if you want me to
100 likes? 100 likes and I'll do it.
Yeah?
Deal.
Deal.
100 likes and I'll do it.
I'll make them green.
You'll make them green?
Just like your rap.
How do you make them green?
That's my secret.
Oh,
That's my secret.
all right. Green flames on the GTR for 100 likes.
But you can see the back seat touches the front seat.
Hey, one thing.
Figure it out, buddy. Man. Wait, I need to grab my phone. Where's my phone?
Okay, I think this can work. I feel like a little kid back here. Yeah, I feel good.
Are you good, Cameron? Because I could go a little bit more front if you need me to.
Dude, that's so polite.
This is fast already. Oh, okay. That was already more than my car.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds so good, man.
I want a red light, though.
You want a red light? Oh, there you go.
There we go. That never happens. That never
so
happens.
He's got a red light. He wants.
He asked for a red light. You got a red light.
I'm guessing.
I'm not gonna launch it, but first gear pull is pretty good.
Oh man, I bet.
First
Watch out, bro. Oh, what the? Oh, there's a cop. Oh, what the? Oh, there's a cop.
Oh my god, he's not following us.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Dude, you better. Dude, what? Take a turn or something.
Oh my god, a cop. We just passed a cop and oh my god, that's
Look at this guy's turning.
Bro, burn it, bro. Burn it.
Oh.
Bro, take a right and gas it,
No,
dude.
dude, I need to go this way.
You need to go this way? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Let's stay calm.
Oh, I saw my heart sank.
Dude, I know mine for you, dude. I saw him in my peripheral vision.
Bro. Hey, I think we went too fast. He didn't even see it.
He was probably like, he's so fast, there's no way I'm gonna catch him, bro. That's one of the benefits from getting a GTR, bro.
Oh my god.
You're just so damn fast, bro. It's not even worth the cops'
focused,
like
but-
time, bro.
Wait,
It just
I can't
isn't.
switch this out.
It isn't.
I need to turn the air on. I'm sweating right
realize
now.
that.
Dude, he's getting a little nervous. Look at him.
Woo!
He can't even believe it
All right,
himself.
So,
Man. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts, man?
Thank you. Those are my thoughts right now.
oh my god. He's downshifting, bro. You know what that means?
We could do it.
Oh, a small one? A small one?
Small one. Do you want some rolling anti-lag too?
Rolling
What?
anti-lag.
Rolling anti-lag,
Oh,
bro.
he is
This is
boosted.
insane.
You can do that.
Oh,
Oh, shit! Jesus Christ! Oh, damn, bro. Relax.
my god, bro.
Man.
I feel like my ass was shitting, bro. In the back.
Oh, what the hell?
I didn't know that was the car or me, man.
Man.
Oh my god. I felt pops and everything, bro. That's crazy.
Could you feel the pops?
Yeah, I
Hell
felt it
yeah.
like, yeah, it was very
Dude, was that a second gear pull?
That was a second gear pull, yeah.
What gear is this?
You guys can see.
You wanna do it first?
Oh, get me first. It gave me first.
They gave you first. Oh,
First gear.
oh,
my God.
oh, damn, this thing just goes. Oh, shit. Man, what are we going? Oh, my God, that's too fast.
Oh my God.
Oh, shit, look at my neck. My veins about to pop. Oh, my God.
Oh my
I'm gonna send you my medical bill.
Dude, hey Ruben, how you feeling?
Man, dude, I think my vein popped, bro, right here.
Oh my, hey, the
God.
seatbelt holds me tighter, bro.
Man.
It like strapped me up even more. Back.
Man, and this thing just hooks, bro. No spin.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Yeah, those are 888s.
Yeah, the arch
Man, I think that's the move.
because it's just like putting down the power as soon
Hell
as it
yeah.
presses the gas.
Honestly, just going in these fast cars, bro, is just prepping me to ruin my experience in my supercharged G35. I think it's gonna be slow, man.
Hey, at least you get it supercharged, bro.
I mean, I guess, man. But
Sheesh, my car, I'm gonna sit in my car crying, bro.
bro, honestly, bro, that's the move now. Just go
This is
back home
crazy. You guys
crying.
gotta see this. Oh my god, no warning, no warning.
Oh, damn. This boy better not switch.
1, 2, 3, go.
I wasn't even racing. Oh, there he goes.
There he goes, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, I feel my whole like chest go back.
That's in comfort mode too. We're just like chilling.
Oh, that was in comfort mode? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god. You can see me trying to get back up and I'm like struggling.
So just so you guys can see the reaction, like it's not fake, bro. Like I'm really being pulled back. The only thing stopping me from going all the way back is the seat. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh damn, bro. I got concussion stage 3. Oh damn, bro. Take it to Kanye.
There's a tunnel. This car sounds so good.
Whenever I get done doing that and I get out of the car, I always feel a little lightheaded. You know?
My legs don't work back here. I'm stuck.
I know. Woo! It's always a good time in the GTR. That was another successful ride along in the GTR.
Oh yeah.
Very successful. Very scary.
Man.
What do you guys think? You inspired?
I'm not inspired. I'm dizzy, bro.
I'm dizzy. I know. I know. Sheesh, I'm dizzy too.
Crazy fast.
Every day, never gets old.
My brain is left back on the street somewhere, man. It flew out.
Yep.
Damn. Dude, I'm actually dizzy.
It's pretty.
Nice. All right, guys. Well, thank you for coming by my channel. Wait, what did you say?
You're like nice.
I don't even know what you said. I was just
like, yeah, bro, I'm dizzy. Nice.
You know, it is what it is. All right, guys. Well, thanks for stopping by my channel, and thank you for watching today's video. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.